What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at another KZ set of headphones. These ones are the KSR hybrids. Now these ones come in two different variations and two different colors. You've got magic black and emerald green, and you can get them with or without the microphone. This one is the black with the microphone. The KZs in the past, they've been pretty good. So for the price of KZs, we've learned that they're actually really good sound quality. So I've got kind of high expectations for these ones because these are like the new hotness, I think. Oh man, those look clean. Okay, cool. So we got a little bag, another little bag, little manual. So first off, we've got about 5 foot, 5.5 foot long cable. Very standard KZ cable. It's got the, I believe it's like a smoky transparent color, and you can see the cable, the wires inside. It does have the gold-tipped 3.5mm jack. For those who have seen the KZs before, they all have this little cable with this connector where all the end pieces are actually interchangeable. So if you have other KZs, you can use the same cable for them. I think that's kind of cool. And in this little bag, we've got 2 sets of different size ear cups. Or low blogs. All right, let's see. They're glossy black. They have this cool little curve to it, which I'm guessing that fits in the ear. They have this like cursive writing on them, and it looks like a cool design, but it actually says left and right. Oh, wow. Oh yeah, that fits in there really nicely. I like that. That little curve right there, it fits really well in the ear right here. So to plug that in, you take the little pins, and you just kind of push them in. They are a very firm connection, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. They definitely do stay in. Now the neat thing about these cables, see how it's like this, but they're very stretchy, so you can contour it to your ear how you like it. Oh man, these are nice. Yeah, I like the way these look. These look really nice. Let's start with Rhett and Link for quality test. Make sure it's not too loud. All right, here we go. Oh, not surprised. So clear. Okay, so first off, I just, you know, like any of the other KZs in the past, these have a very, very good sound. The drivers that they're using for these, like, you can crank it up all the way, and it's way too loud, but it does not get distorted at all. It's just, they're so good. All right, let's do, oh, you know what? Let's do the shake test real quick. We're good. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are so good. These are so good. God, how does KZ do this? I don't understand how they do this. All right, let's make a phone call real quick. Hello? How's it going, girl? Whoa, God, it's loud. Okay. Wow, your phone sounds amazing. Yeah, you sound really good. I mean quality, okay? Get your mind out of the gutter, lady. Yeah, it sounds pretty clear? I'm not calling you from my own phone. I'm using some headphones. Yeah, do they? Okay, cool. All right, that's all I needed you for, and goodbye. Bye. Not surprised. KZs are pretty good. Okay, so overall, yes, absolutely, these are fantastic for like 22 bucks. As of right now, me recording this, they're 22 bucks. Go check out the link down below to verify. The prices change all the time, but very, very good quality. Highs and mids. For the $20 range of earbuds, 10 out of 10 on highs, mids, and lows. They're fantastic. For this price range, you're not gonna get anything better than this, I don't think. Out of $20, KZs are premium. If you're looking for some wired earbuds that are absolutely fantastic sound quality, you're gonna get completely lost in your music or whatever you're listening to, these are them. KZs are them. I'm gonna leave a link down below for these, but I'll also leave a link down below for all the other KZs. I highly recommend KZs. For the price range, you're not gonna get anything better. They're fantastic. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. I highly suggest going to check them out for yourself, but I'm leaving it in your hands, so as for now, get out of here.